All right, if you look at these questions now, we have x raised power 3 plus y raised power 3 is equal to 19. And then x squared minus xy plus y squared is equal to 19. Now we have to find x plus y. Now, the first step we can take here is to look at x cubed plus y cubed and see how it can be broken down into probably formula form or factors. Now, x cubed plus y cubed can be expressed as x cubed, let me write it fully, x cubed plus y cubed is equal to x plus y all multiplied by x squared minus xy plus y squared. So if you look at this equation now, if you expand this, it's going to take you back to this. So now, don't forget that the question says we should look for x plus y. So for us to make x plus y the subject of the formula here, we divide both sides by this x squared minus xy plus y squared. That's what we're going to use to divide both sides so that we can get x plus y. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Now, if we make x plus y the subject of the formula, is going to give us this divided by this, and that is x cubed plus y cubed, that's y raised power 3, all divided by x squared minus xy plus y squared. So that is what it is going to do for us. Now, if we check, you can see that from the question, x cubed plus y cubed is equal to 19. And then we also have x squared plus xy plus y raised power 3, y raised power 2 is equal to 19. So that means we have 19 on the top side, because that's what is given to us at the beginning of the question there, that x raised power 3 plus y raised power 3 is 19. So what I now have here is my x raised power 3 plus y raised power 3 is 19. Then all divided by this value, which is also 19 from here. You can see it. This x squared minus xy plus y squared is 19. So I also divide by 19. So don't forget, this is x plus y. And so I can now say my x plus y is equal to 19 divided by 19 will give us 1. So from the question there, x plus y is equal to 1. That is the final answer. So please do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can see more interesting mathematics problems like this. Thank you.